Looking for the perfect cake mold to upgrade your baking game? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 10 best cake molds on Amazon that every home cook and baking lover should know about. From non-stick springform pans to flexible silicone molds, these picks make baking easier, cleaner, and more professional, whether you're a beginner or a serious kitchen enthusiast. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Wilton Round Cake Pan. The Wilton Round Cake Pan is a classic choice for home cooks who want consistent baking results every time. Built with durable aluminum construction, this cake pan distributes heat evenly, helping cakes bake smoothly without burnt edges or undercooked centers. Its non-stick coating allows easy cake release, making decorating much simpler for beginners and professionals alike. This pan works perfectly for birthday cakes, layered cakes, and everyday baking projects. Cleaning is quick, and the sturdy design ensures long-term use. If you're searching for a reliable and affordable cake mold on Amazon, this option stands out thanks to its trusted brand reputation and performance. It's ideal for anyone wanting professional quality baking results at home. Nordware Bundt Pan. The Nordware Bundt Pan is famous among baking enthusiasts for creating beautifully shaped cakes with detailed designs. Made from heavy cast aluminum, it provides exceptional heat conductivity, ensuring even baking in golden crusts. The fluted design gives cakes a premium bakery appearance without extra decorating effort. Its non-stick interior helps cakes release cleanly, preventing breakage and saving time. This Bundt pan is perfect for pound cakes, coffee cakes, and festive desserts. Home cooks love its durability and elegant finish, making it a long-term investment for serious bakers. If presentation matters as much as taste, this cake mold delivers professional results effortlessly while enhancing your baking creativity. Hiware Springform Pan. The Hiware Springform Pan is ideal for cheesecakes, mousse cakes, and delicate desserts that require easy removal. Its leak-proof springform latch allows the sides to detach smoothly, protecting fragile cakes from damage. The non-stick coating ensures quick release while simplifying cleanup after baking. Built from strong carbon steel, it handles high temperatures without warping. Bakers appreciate the secure locking mechanism that prevents batter leaks during baking. Whether you're preparing cheesecake or layered desserts, this pan offers precision and convenience. For home cooks looking for versatility and reliability, this springform cake mold provides excellent value and professional performance, making it one of the most popular baking tools available online. Premium Silicone Cake Mold. The premium silicone cake mold offers flexibility and convenience that traditional metal pans cannot match. Made from food-grade silicone, it allows effortless cake removal simply by gently flexing the mold. Its heat-resistant material works safely in ovens, microwaves, and freezers, giving bakers more versatility. The non-stick surface eliminates the need for heavy greasing, helping create healthier baked goods. Lightweight and easy to store, this mold is perfect for modern kitchens. It's excellent for cakes, gelatin desserts, and creative baking experiments. Home cooks and fitness fans alike appreciate its reusable design and easy cleaning process. This silicone cake mold is a practical solution for stress-free baking. Reusable silicone form. The reusable silicone form is designed for eco-friendly bakers who want durability and convenience. Unlike disposable baking tools, this reusable mold withstands repeated use without losing shape or performance. Its flexible silicone body ensures smooth cake release, reducing breakage during removal. Heat resistance allows it to perform well across various baking temperatures. This form is especially useful for soft sponge cakes and creative desserts. Cleaning requires minimal effort, since residue doesn't easily stick to the surface. Perfect for busy home cooks, this combines practicality with modern baking efficiency. If you want a long-lasting, non-stick cake mold that simplifies baking routines, this is a smart choice. Boxiki Springform Pan. The Boxiki Springform Pan delivers excellent baking control for cheesecakes and layered desserts. Featuring a strong locking system and leak-resistant base, it keeps batter secure while baking. The non-stick coating ensures easy release, allowing cakes to maintain their perfect shape. This sturdy steel construction distributes heat evenly for consistent baking results. This pan is popular among home cooks who want bakery-style desserts without complicated tools. The removable bottom makes serving simple and mess-free. Whether you're baking classic cheesecake or experimenting with new recipes, this springform pan offers reliability and ease of use. It's a practical addition to any baking setup focused on quality results. Vinino Mini Silicone Loaf Pan Set. The Vinino Mini Silicone Loaf Pan Set is perfect for baking small portions like banana bread, brownies, or mini cakes. Featuring multiple cavities, it allows you to bake several treats at once, saving time and energy. The reinforced metal frame provides stability while maintaining silicone flexibility for easy release. Its non-stick design reduces the need for oil or butter, making baking healthier and cleaner. Dishwasher-safe construction simplifies cleanup after use. Ideal for meal prep, snacks, or creative dessert ideas, this loaf pan set suits busy home cooks and baking enthusiasts alike. Compact yet versatile, it's an excellent tool for experimenting with new baking recipes. Oetker Bakeware Mold. The Oetker Bakeware Mold combines durability with flexible baking performance. Crafted from high-quality silicone, it supports even heat distribution while preventing sticking issues. This mold is excellent for cakes, pastries, and decorative desserts thanks to its smooth finish. Its flexible structure makes removing baked goods effortless without damaging delicate textures. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for beginners exploring baking for the first time. The mold is also freezer-safe, expanding its usefulness beyond traditional baking. Home cooks appreciate its reusable design and easy maintenance. For those seeking a reliable silicone cake mold that delivers consistent results, this bakeware mold is a reliable choice. Dr. Oetker Cake Mold. The Dr. Oetker Cake Mold is known for German-engineered quality and precision baking performance. Built with durable materials and a reliable non-stick coating, it ensures cakes release smoothly every time. The sturdy construction promotes even heat distribution, preventing uneven baking. This mold works well for classic cakes, sponge cakes, and special occasion desserts. Its ergonomic design makes handling safe and comfortable even when hot. Bakers value the brand's reputation for consistent results and long-lasting performance. It's an excellent option for anyone wanting professional baking tools without complicated maintenance. AVIDON Mini Silicone Cake Pan. The AVIDON Mini Silicone Cake Pan is perfect for smaller cakes, jello desserts, and creative baking projects. Its compact 6-inch size suits personal servings or small households. Made from flexible food-grade silicone, it allows easy cake removal without sticking or breaking. The heat-resistant design works safely in ovens and freezers, increasing versatility. Its lightweight construction makes storage simple while maintaining durability. Ideal for beginners and experienced bakers alike, this mini cake pan encourages experimentation with recipes and presentation styles. If you want a convenient and affordable cake mold for everyday baking, this silicone pan delivers excellent usability and consistent results.